Happy Friday, stock traders. I want to introduce you to my wife, who is along for the journey. What's your name, lady? Young lady?
The Shiznit.
The Shiznit. What's your real name?
Michelle.
Okay. Appreciate you tuning in. I'm starting to deploy cash today, and I want to talk about what I'm actually diversifying into. First thing, Airbnb. I used to do those way back when, and I'm actually trying to structure an offer right now for a property. And if we're able to get it, possibly I'll serve it up to some of the subscribers. Second thing, Costco. I tried to buy some gold, physical gold on their site. It's about $3,000 to $3,100 an ounce, but they're sold out. So I waited a little too long, but I'll do a video on that as soon as I'm able to get some. And we have some from way back when, like 30 years ago, that was like 200 and some odd dollars. So continuing on with the diversification. I actually picked up 100 shares of Berkshire Hathaway today. Class B shares, it was about 55 grand. And I sold a cover call against it. Now, why would I do that? Well, market crazy still exists, but I saw some signs today that looked promising. That we formed a double bottom. We started out, we were going to do 5 weeks of down weeks, but we broke the trend today, which is good. A lot of the leverage is taken out of the system. That's good. So I started deploying cash. I also sold puts and calls against IBIT, which I've mentioned in the past. It's Bitcoin. Now, I took a huge hit because of leverage. I had way too much leverage, and if you look at the spreadsheet, you'll know what I'm talking about, but I'm down like 80 grand. It hurt. But I'll rebuild it. I'm not at all worried about it. I raised a lot of cash because I knew we were going down, and I'm really glad we did. So, what else? Costco. Speaking of the gold rush, I actually started picking up shares of Costco today, and I sold a put against it at $865 a share, and it expires April 17th. Made about $700 to $800 to do that. Because, like I said in a previous video, it was going to go above 1,000. It did. It got all the way to 1,060. Now it's in the low 900s, high 800s. It's a good time to start nibbling, right? If you're a long-term believer, which I am. And funny enough, where are we going?
Costco.
To do some shopping. So with that, I will depart. Happy trading. We'll see you next week.